Hi, here we do the service from the countertop, marble countertop. This marble over here, this is Creama Marfil, and it's in very bad shape. They got no polish, they got a lot of watermark. And they have this crack, you can see there. This crack is on the front of the sink. They got one crack in there, one crack in there, and that crack in there. And I go fix it, I go try to fix it that. And then here is a lot of bacteria. Go there, over the years, people use that, and what I go do is seal that. And you see, I want to show you something. You see, here they don't go. That means this side is higher, which I have to polish, grind it down for all that area to make it flat. Here is the same. I go do the same there. Then I got another one here. It's the same problem, and we want to make it that countertop look beautiful. It's not beautiful, but we want to do. It's gonna take me like a 1 hour. Okay. What I go do down now is grind it down, and I'm gonna show you how it look like when I grind it down, ready for apply the epoxy. I just grind it down with one, but you can you can see the lines there, you see? Still the line. I need to clean that well with acetone and help it with my little blade, and then put epoxy. Now I go do grind it down, just one here. You see that? I have to make it flat. Have to put it flat and ready to clean. Okay? I'll come back in a little while. Now like you see, I grind it down. You see the mark of the machine, of the grinder. I grind it down. I'm gonna clean that well. And then fill. I like it filled, and leave it overnight. People do the same, but I like every people is different, I guess. I go fill, and I coming back tomorrow and finish up. It's very important. I go show you something here. It's very important. You go like this and clean all. Sometimes they got the dust, dirt, even little dust from you polishing, You see here, this is the scratching from the 36 gray. It's okay because I go take that tomorrow, okay? I have to fill all that. The same thing here, you see. I use the knife and open the little cracks, to all the fluid go inside and hold it, because it's not, that fluid is go away with the first wash. I can keep and do it. Take the acetone help you a lot. I use the acetone after work and clean them all, and so this is why you have to clean before do everything. Okay, see you then. Like you see here, I have the epoxy, which is the same color, almost the same color, and they got the hardener. I use that 5%, okay? 5% of whatever you got there, 5% you use for the hardener. And this is what I go fill right now. Okay, I go try to do the both sometimes to show you what is really hard with one hand. I take it here, like a 1%, and then mix together. I go use other hands. Okay, I come back to show you once I fill this crack, okay? Okay, I just fill you can see, is here. And tomorrow, I fill here good, it's there. You see here. I leave it up for tomorrow, and tomorrow I finish it. Very important. Always take the blade when you put the epoxy, like this one here, and then you take it the over, you see? You use it like this. And you know what, when you do epoxy, you can have to do it 1 and 2 times. If you got the little epoxy, don't go, you can do it again. See? And here is very good. Epoxy stay. And I do that for tomorrow. Don't cost me too much when I go grind it down. See? Try to take the most you can. Don't go over the line. Just stop before the line, like I do like this here, you see? That here, I do put it again, a little more. But now I have to put a little thing, you know, because the moss is gone. But this is what I want to show you, you know. Do it here. See the line now? All that, tomorrow I have to grind down and smell that. This is not good. Okay? I had 3 spots, which is one there, and this big here to peel again, and that's it. The rest is good for tomorrow. Well, it's the next day now, and I'm coming, and like you see, it's already, you know, flat, very flat. You take the you can see it's no stop. You see? Any direction to stop. Now what I need is polish, and that's it. We fix it. Let me see the other one. The same thing. It's here. Almost you don't see. You see? Now when I polish, that blends better. I did finish my same papers. I put a little water. You see? Put the same papers. And now it's flat, and now it's time to polish. It's flat. If you close the eyes, you do like this, and you don't feel nothing, you see? That means it's good. Now I go polish and make it nice. Well, I finished it already. I polish. Now you see the shiny. You can see the shiny on the top. Now you can feel it's flat. You cannot even see when I make the repair. You see that? Let's go see the other one. You see how shiny it is now? And the other one is the same. You see that? You can see the light right there. You see the light, and the repair was over here. You even almost don't see. You know, you will not repair here, and you don't even see. And I polish, and this look like a new countertop. You see, it takes some time, but you can make some money. Do this or do by yourself. You can do by yourself, step by step. Like I tell you, and you see the shiny. You see kind of the light right there. Okay, and now I will show you the before and after picture and you will be surprised how we can fix it. Thank you very much. Like this video and subscribe and send the link to friends and make that video to help people like you looking for marble repairs or connector repairs, which is easy and a step. And you see how beautiful they came. Okay? Bye now. To the next one.